up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I live in Pittsburgh and I am a full-time content creator. This morning I am heading to Target because I'm going to be picking up some home decor and hopefully furniture for our Pittsburgh apartment, which is still pretty empty. I'd say it's like maybe 60% done. So I'm on a budget, but I'm hoping to find some of the things that I'm needing still for our apartment. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and share some clips with you guys while I'm shopping at Target and show you guys like what I find, and hopefully I'm gonna find some of the things that I want. So we'll head to Target, and then if I don't find some things there, then I might head to a few more spots. We'll see. So let's go ahead and get started. So Target always has really cute prints. I especially love this one here. And I'm thinking about doing a gallery wall in my living room, but I don't think I'm gonna start that project quite yet. So good to know though, like some of the options that they have. One of the things I wanted to pick up was this hanging shelf. I'm gonna need 2 of them for this wall in my kitchen, which you guys will see. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. Another thing I'm wanting is a mirror to go above my dresser, but I'm not sure if I should get gold or if I should get the black or the wood. The black one's a little bit smaller. It's 23 instead of 26, and I feel like that would look a little bit better where I want it to go. So gotta figure that out. I'm obsessed with this armchair from the Studio McGee collection, but it's just a little too expensive. Okay, so I didn't end up getting a ton from Target because they mainly only have Christmas stuff out right now, which I should have known because I was there recently, but for some reason I thought they'd have like more decor stuff. So now I'm at Home Depot because I need to pick up some hooks for our bathroom so that we can hang like our towels and stuff, and I'll maybe see if they have any decor stuff here, and then I'm thinking that I'll head to possibly like TJ Maxx and Marshalls and just see like what they have, but I'm thinking that I might have to do a trip to Ikea as well to pick up like more of the furniture stuff that I wanted. We are on our way to Ikea because I decided that we should just go ahead and make the trip instead of going to like TJ Maxx and places like that, because I figured that it's going to be the same thing if you're just going to have like Christmas stuff, whereas like I know that Ikea has furniture all year long. So we are going to pop in there and hopefully pick up some of the things that I'm wanting. It is day 2 of home decor shopping. We had no luck at Ikea. Everything was like out of stock, and I found like a couple of things at Target. One of the things was a mirror, but I didn't buy a mirror because I wanted to check out Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls first, because a lot of the times they do have like really cute boho style mirrors for a little bit less than the ones at Target. So I'm going to check those out now and see if they have one, and if they don't, then I'll just go back to Target and get a mirror, and I'll see if they have anything else that I'm wanting as well. It's been a little bit tough because there's mainly Christmas decor stuff out, not a ton of home decor, so I might end up having to order stuff on Amazon, so we'll see if I have any luck today. Okay, so I picked up this pothos plant from Home Depot for, I believe it was like 11 or 12 bucks. And I wanted to pick another one up because I really kind of want to do like a hanging plant right here. There aren't a ton of places where we can hang plants from because we have like the pitched roof everywhere. But I thought that maybe I could hook it up here and hang it there and just have like a nice pop of green. And I love pothos because they grow like the really long veins. Is that what they're called? Basically, they just get like really pretty and long and they grow really fast. I have one over here that was pretty like small when I first got it, and it's grown quite a bit, and I love the way that looks like spilling over the edge of the counter. It was pretty hard to find a pothos, so I'm not gonna lie. They're really easy to find in the summertime, but not like in the fall/winter time. So Ended up getting that from Home Depot. Probably could have gotten one cheaper in the summer. And then I got these 2 shelves from Target, 36-inch shelves, and I think they were like $35 each. And I'm planning on hanging them on this wall over here in my kitchen. So I wanted to put them like side by side and then just like display really pretty ceramics. And I thought it would be perfect for hanging like garland for this Christmas time. I thought that would look like really pretty. And like right now it's kind of just plain on that wall. So I feel like the wood shelf right there would just add a lot of interest to the kitchen and give me another place to store things, because I don't have a ton of storage in the kitchen. What I have to figure out is if it's like safe to hang on this wall. The Home Depot guys mentioned that I had to find like studs or something like that, so I'm not sure how to go about that. Gotta figure that out. And then I picked up this Project 62 gold mirror from Target, and I believe that was like 60 bucks. And I'm thinking that I'll put it here above this dresser. I was a little worried that it might be too big to go above the dresser, so we'll see. I'll hang it up here in a second and then show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna get a nail and hang that up here in a second. But I like the size of it, and I also like that the gold ties in with like the wicker and some of the other gold tones that I have here in the bedroom. I was debating between this one, the wood one, or the black one, but I'm happy that I went with the gold. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Sorry if it wasn't that interesting. I didn't end up getting a lot of stuff just because I was very unlucky. I should have known that the holiday season wasn't a good time to shop for furniture or home decor. So I'm gonna end up ordering stuff on Amazon, I think, but I'll definitely do an Amazon home decor haul for you guys. I'm already getting some nightstands tomorrow, and then I'll place the order for most of the other things that I want, and then when those arrive, I'll do a home decor haul. I hope you guys liked this video anyway. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys aren't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe for more thrifting and home decor and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!